Hi, I'm Brett from Jim's Antennas, and today we're just going to show you how we're going to mount a TV on the wall. Alright, so first of all we're going to measure the wall space, and we want to measure the centre of the wall so we get the TV right in the centre of the wall. We're going to use a laser level so we can make sure the bracket is level on the wall. Next we're going to find the studs on the wall. We want to mount the bracket on the studs. Next we're going to put the bracket on the wall. We're going to use a level to make sure that the bracket is level. Next we're going to conceal the cable, so we're going to cut some holes in the plaster. Next we're going to mount the TV on the wall. We're going to make sure that the arms fit securely on top of the bracket. We're going to connect the cables to the back of the TV. We're going to secure the safety screws on the bottom of the TV. Finally, we're going to connect all the cables to our meter devices and put the cabinet back in place. Thank you for watching our video on how to mount a TV on the wall. If you'd like any more how-to videos, please subscribe to our Jim's Antennas YouTube channel. If you'd like any more information or like to book our services, please call 131546.